All right, so we're going to multiply the top and bottom by 10 minus I because we have to always multiply by the complex conjugate when we have an I in the denominator or in the bottom of a fraction. So on the top, we're just multiplying, it's like distributive property, 2I times 10, so that's 20I. 2I times negative I, that's negative 2I squared. I squared means we mark out the I squared, change the sign in front. So this is a plus 2. That's all that's left on top with the 20I. On the bottom, I'm gonna put it down here. 10 plus I times 10 minus I. Okay, so distribute the 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times negative I is negative 10I. 10 times I, or I times 10, that's positive 10I. I times negative I, that's a negative I squared. We always mark it out, change the sign of the number. What number is it? It's an understood 1. So we've got 100 plus 1, which is 101. And then we've got negative 10I plus 10I. So that's 0. So that just kind of goes away. So the only thing left on the bottom is 101. Now, we're on track because we don't have an imaginary number in the denominator anymore. So that's a good sign. And now we're thinking, can we divide any of this further? Can we break this fraction down smaller? No, we can't. Luckily we have just a 2 right here, and 2 will only divide by 2 and 1. And 101 is not an even number, so it doesn't divide by 2. So this is our answer. So 20I plus 2 over 101. That's the final answer there. All right, I hope that was helpful. See you in the next one.